Hi, now we will see about assignment operators in Java. Okay. So, assignment operators in this, one thing is equal to. Okay, this is usually we will use int a is equal to 10, means we will use this operator to assign a value to the variable. Okay, so this is one assignment operator. Another one is we can assign in assignment operators we can evaluate as well as assign the value. Okay, usually arithmetic operators, bitwise operators, those are all we will using that operators only evaluation will happen. Okay, but using the assignment operators at a time we can evaluate an expression as well as we can assign the value to an variable. Okay, so we can apply first we can apply the assignment operators on arithmetic operators. Okay, so for that I am defining two variables, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. Okay, so now what we are going to do is arithmetic operators we are going to assign the assignment. Okay, assignment operators, so we can assign a plus equal to b. Okay, the meaning of this operator is a is equal to a plus b. Okay, at a time we can do the addition operation as well as we can do the assignment also. Okay, this is the benefit of this assignment operators. Okay, the meaning is what is the operand we have in the left side of the operator, we can take these two and we can keep in the right side. This is the meaning of this. Okay, so here a value is 5 and b value is 3. A plus equal to b means a is equal to a plus b, means we will add both the values and again we will assign back to a. Okay, so now we can print the value of a. So here we are using plus equal, we are printing a value. See, the value of a beginning 5, after applying the plus equal to operator, now the value got changed, a is equal to a plus b, so a is equal to 8. Okay. In the same way we can do the other operators also. A minus is equal to b, the meaning of this is a is equal to a minus b. Okay. The same we can again print and check, this is minus equal and we can print. Now the a value is 8 and b value is 3. Okay, we have finally we have updated the value, that is 8 and b is equal to 3. So a minus b, that means 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 we should get. Yeah, minus equal to 5. The same way we can do for a star equals b. Okay, the meaning is a is equal to a star b. Can print this. So finally the a value is 5 and b value is 3, so a star b is equal to 15. Now we can do a divided by equal to b. The meaning of this is a is equal to a divided by b. Okay, now we can print this. So a value is 15 and b value is 3, so 15 by 3 is equal to 5. Okay. Now modulo operator we can apply, a modulo equal to b. So meaning of this is a is equal to a modulo b. Okay, now can print and check modulo b. So here a value is 5 and b value is 3, so 5 modulo 5 modulo 3. Okay, so this modulo operator will give us the remainder. Okay, this division will give us the quotient. So if any clarification, you can go through the arithmetic operators video in our playlist. And the same we can use the bitwise operators also, a and equal b. Okay, this means a is equal to a and b. Bitwise operation will happen, so we can print this. This is and equal. The AND operation will give us the 2. Okay, and in the same way shift operation also we can do. So here I have given only the AND operator in bitwise. We can do OR operation as well as the mod operations also. Okay, and we can use shift operator. We can do right shift. Okay, equal to. Okay, the meaning of this is a is equal to a right shift by 2. Okay, so command this and we can print a. This a value is 2. If we are doing shift right shift means we will get 0. Okay, this is the shift operator. Yeah, thank you.